Oh, this is Lone Star Carpet Care. Get everything ready to do this big bad boy right here. Take you up the stairs. And that's what I'm doing. We're going to clean all the carpets first. Then Aero Sky is going to come up here and put all the seats back in. So we need to get all the gum out, disinfect the carpet, and let me show you where all the seats are. See if we can get a picture from here. Right there. Hopefully I'm not shaking too much and making everybody dizzy. It's cold this morning. Coming back down the stairs. There's one of the vans. There's the other van. And that's it. I'll show more video when we're done.